Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit training. We're continuing on with this project, the structural project of foundations. So here in our model, you can see we got our floor and our walls and our beams and our columns and our footings and our isolated wall footings. And I want to say that this book I'm using one of my old books. This is by Revit Structure 2024, Learning by Doing, and it's by CAD Soft Technologies. So it's a pretty good book. You can get it, buy it online, and then I think you can download these files. So I don't know if they have an Imperial, but I'm doing this in Imperial. So here we go. We've got our 3D model, and this is our entry level. So I'm gonna go back to the second floor level, and this is our second floor level. So now we're going to focus on how to annotate these guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to basically, since we've got this all done, I'm going to grab everything here. Just use my selection tool and just select everything right there. And then I'm going to grab my filter here. Now looking at my filter, all those things I'm happy with copying. I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a line right there, a mirror point, and I'm going to mirror all this across because it's just a mirror. And then I'm going to highlight the wall that may miss. Okay, so I'm going to just detach that. And there's our second half of the entry level. Now we need to do the same thing on the second level. So I'm going to grab everything once again up to here. And I'm going to do the filter again. And we're happy with all that stuff we have. Yep, I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to mirror everything. And there. Okay. Any day now. I'm going to detach these. Now, I'm going to okay this, and then I'm going to put this into shaded view so we can kind of see what's going on here. This is our lower level here in this view. And this is our top level, a second floor. So now we want to do some annotations here. We might want to get all our dimensions and everything going. So here, wow, what happened there? That's neat, kind of odd. Okay. So just push these up out of the way, and then just use the straight dimensioning tools here. I'm going to dimension on this level right here because I don't think we'll need it anywhere else. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to just go line dimension from there to there. Okay, what's up here? Why my dimensions not showing here? Let's see what's going on here. Go aligned here. Okay, there we go. This will be helpful for us when we do these other grids on the other side of this. So just break that up right there. And there we have our dimensions. So let's go in this direction. Actually, let's make this another scale. It's going to probably be 1/4 inch. Let's change this to 1/4 inch scale. There you go. We can kind of see things here a little bit. And let's drag these up to about here. Right about there. Or whatever's suitable. Or whatever standard you want to be following here. That up to there. See, the guidelines are good. They help us align things right. So here, same thing. Just line these up. So then we want to dimension this direction here. So we just go and say annotate. Could do wall. I think we can do this wall here. Let's see what happens if we go use our dimension tools just for the heck of it. Align dimension. And go individual walls. See entire walls, and then with the options, just pick up our grids, the intersecting grids. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay, there we go. Yep. There, then we'll pick that up. Then we grab this one here, and that one, that one, that one. So this is starting to take shape here. And then we want to get these dimensions from here to here. Just want to do individual references here. And then I'll just go measure from there to there and to there. So this is basically how we're going to annotate this guy. And then on the other side, we'll have to pick up the grid, the column grids and everything. But I just wanted to get you guys going here. Now let's look at some tagging here. So let's go and look at our, we're gonna do some more annotations here. We do like our notes and everything. So here I'm gonna go to annotate tab. I'm gonna go tag by tag all. And here I'm gonna say foundation tags just for now. And I'm do span direction tags. And I'm gonna apply them. Say okay. Sorry about that. And then there we have our tags for all of our, let me make this another 1/4 inch. Okay, so there's all our information. There's our bearing footing tags. We probably didn't need those. I might want to undo that, but that's all I want to show you here. We want to carry on with this project. And now we're going to get going at the, there's our model in 3D. And then we're going to add another level and then continue on with these notes and tags and dimensions and things of that nature. So thank you for watching. I just wanted to get you guys moving along here. So we're going to continue on with this. So I'm going to finish these grid lines and dimensions, and then I'll see you in the next video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Be safe, y'all. Bye.